Hit the button. There you go.
Okay, the old Glock 19. This is the one that we kept separate from everybody and actually kept track of it, and we finally hit 20,000 rounds last night. It didn't start screwing up on us until about 14,000 rounds. The first shot would fire the first shot and not load the second shot. So it's pretty crappy. I wiped it down last night, but I didn't clean it. So here's how we clean it. If I can get it apart. My fingers are cold. Okay, pretty simple. I don't go through a lot of different steps here. Problem solved. Get your brush. Scrub the great big chunks off. Or try to scrub the big chunks off. You do have to be careful what kind of solvent you have. I was told that some of the more abrasive solvents will melt the plastic, but I don't buy any of that high dollar stuff. And for all the die-hard gun guys out there that are crying right now, grow up. They're supposed to be indestructible, right?
You see how I clean my Glock.
Well, the other ones we just hit with carb cleaner. This ain't even clean solvent. This stuff's pretty bad.
It's like brushing your teeth.
Yep.
2 minutes.
Clean it up in the corner. Now it just melts off of there just by sitting inside. Don't hardly have to scrub nothing. We got the slide hot enough that it melted all the paint off up to the front. If you have the True Glow sights, don't use this. It makes it soft.
Yeah, just painted stuff.
Yeah, and then
Painted iridium.
the sight piece actually falls out. I lost my spring. That could be a drawback.
You're cheap.
I put it in there, right?
You said we threw everything. It's over there. Right there. On there, one.
Wheel.
Then you get to play hide and go seek.
Oh, there it is. See how clean it is already? Not even scrubbing it. Been shooting a bunch of that super clean steel wolf. And it's oily. Ooh, that's still really nasty. So you get one that's real bad. Here's the fix. Try not to get this on the plastic of your gun, it'll melt it. pretty clean. And the first few times you shoot it, there's going to be all kinds of crap that comes out of it, so keep a rag handy. Big chunks.
Clean the floor.
Oh. What I do with my toothbrush. There's a pretty good chunk still in there. It's just pretty big chunks. When you use that brake cleaner, wipe it off your sights real fast, because it'll melt them. Pretty high-tech tools. Ooh, that thing's about junk. Done! Like I said, after you shoot it for a while, all kinds of crap will come out of the trigger still. When I say a while, I mean like your first mag or two. Or at least that's the way it works with all the other ones. Boom. Sound a little better? Not quite so gritty, full of dirt, crap. That's the easiest way I know without taking it completely apart. Hey Neil! Say bye.
Bye.